Hello students, in this class I am going to explain in chapter Introduction to Trigonometry exercise 8.3 in that fourth problem in that fourth Roman in 8.3 fourth problem in that sixth Roman root 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A is equal to secant A plus tan A. This is the question. Now, solution LHS is equal to root 1 plus sine A whole divided by 1 minus sine A. Here, rationalize the denominator. With 1 plus sine A. Rationalize the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sine A is equal to root of 1 plus sine A whole divided by 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. This is equal to root of 1 plus sine A whole square whole divided by 1 square minus, it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, 1 square minus sine square A. Is equal to root of 1 plus sine A whole square whole divided by 1 minus sine square A is equal to root of 1 plus sine A whole square whole divided by cos square A. Then remove the square root. Root of 1 plus sine square A, sine A whole square is equal to root and square cancels. 1 plus sine A is left behind whole divided by here cos square, in that square removes cos A left behind. Here simplify that 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to secant A plus sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. This is RHS is the required answer. Next question, Roman number 7. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta whole divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Solution LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta whole divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Remove the common factor in the numerator and denominator. In numerator, sin theta is the common into 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by cos theta is common 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here, instead of writing sin square theta, sin theta into 1 minus 2 into sin square theta, instead of writing sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. In denominator, cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to sin theta 1 minus 2. I will take this minus 2 inside. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus cos square theta is equal to plus 2 cos square theta whole divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here is equal to sin theta as it is. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Instead of writing this minus 1 first, I will take this one 2 cos square theta minus 1 whole divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two get cancelled. Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to RHS is the required answer for this question. Next question. Sin A plus cosecant A. 8th Roman 8. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the RHS value. Then solution LHS is equal to left hand side is equal to sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to, I will converting these in sin and cos in the form of this here. So sin A as it is plus 1 by cosecant means 1 by sin A whole square plus cos A as it is plus 1 by cos A whole square. I will take the LCM for both the ratios. Here LCM of to this squares, sin A is the LCM. Here is the denominator is 1. If it is not there anything, then you think that 1 is there. 1 into sin A is equal to sin A. Sin A into sin A is equal to sin square A plus sin A 1 ja sin A, 1 into 1, 1 whole square plus cos A is the LCM for that. 1 into cos A is equal to cos A into cos A, cos A is cos square A plus 1 plus cos A 1 ja cos A, 1 into 1, 1 whole square is equal to sorry, instead of this I'll take this one in the simplifying this one. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square, instead of writing I'll simplifying that. The sin square A, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. Sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A. This is one value. Then plus cos A plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. This is the second value. Then here removing the brackets, if I remove these brackets, plus as it is, anyhow plus is there, I will remove it. Then here sin square A cos A cos square is equal to sin square A plus cos square A plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. Left behind is 2 plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus 2 cos A secant A. Here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus cosecant, instead of cosecant square A, I will write 1 plus cot square A for this secant. I will write 1 plus tan square A, then secant is over. Here plus 2 sin A, instead of cosecant A, 1 by sin A plus 2 cos A, instead of secant A, 1 by cos A. These two can get cancelled, is equal to 1 plus 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. This is RHS. This is the value of for the required question. Ninth question. cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Solution: LHS is equal to cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Then once again I will take it is converting everything in sin and cos. So instead of writing cosecant A, 1 by cos A minus sin A into 1 by cos A, this is 1 by sin A, 1 by cos A minus cos A is equal to, take an LCM, sin A is the denominator, 1 minus sin square A into cos A is the LCM for this, 1 minus cos square A is equal to, instead of writing 1 minus sin square A, cos square A whole divided by sin A. Here also instead of writing 1 minus cos square A, sin square A divided by cos A as it is. Here sin A square cancelled, cos A square cancelled, left is cos A divided by cos A or sin A into cos A. This is equation number 1. Take RHS 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 by, instead of writing tan A, sin A divided by cos A plus, instead of cot A, cos A divided by sin A. Take LCM for that, sin A and cos A. This is the LCM for the denominator. So 1 by, here cos A is there, cos A into sin A into sin A, sin square A plus sin A is there, sin A cos A ja, sin A cos A into cos A is equal to cos square A is equal to, I will take this at the numerator, sin A cos A. Here it becomes 1, so divided by 1 is equal to sin A cos A. This is equation, this is the value of RHS. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. This is the required answer. Next, 10th problem is one plus tan square A whole divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan square A, whole divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. See the question. Here there is 2 is equal to, so first I will take this left hand side, this is the right hand side. Considering this also, I will solve this by using this one. I will get the RHS. First solution, LHS is equal to 1 plus tan A whole divided by 1 plus cot square A. I will converting the values in tan form. So numerator is always, numerator is as it is 1 plus tan square A whole divided by 1 plus cot square A. Instead of cot square A, I will write 1 by tan square A. Take LCM for that. 1 plus tan square A as it is whole divided by, here LCM is tan square A. There is no 1 is there. 1 into tan square is tan square A plus tan square 1 is tan square, 1 into 1 1 is equal to, I will take this at the numerator, to the numerator, tan square A into 1 plus tan square A whole divided by, instead of writing 1 in the right side, I will take this in the left side, 1 plus tan square A. These two get cancelled, left is tan square A. This is equal to RHS. Similarly, consider take LHS is equal to 1 minus tan A whole square, 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to, once again you convert the cot into tan, 1 minus tan A whole divided by 1 minus, instead of writing cot, 1 by tan A whole square is equal to, once again 1 minus tan A whole divided by tan A. Take the tan A is the LCM. Therefore, 1 into tan A is tan A. Tan A into 1 is tan A. Minus tan A 1 is tan A. 1 into 1, 1 whole square. This is equal to, I will take this one at the numerator. Tan A into 1 minus tan A whole divided by, I will take minus outside, 1 minus tan A whole square. These tan A get cancelled. Then minus tan A whole square is equal to, minus into minus get cancelled, tan square A. This is RHS. This is the required answer for that 10th question. Then finally I am going to the summary of the introduction to trigonometry. Here I got everything in the values of different ratios. First one is in this chapter I have studied the following points. First one is in right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse to the angle A. Cos A is also adjacent to the angle A divided by hypotenuse to the angle A. Then tan A is equal to opposite to the angle A divided by adjacent to the angle A. Cot A is equal to then cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. And tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. If third point, if one of the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle is known, the remaining trigonometric ratios of angle can be easily determined. Fourth is the value of trigonometric ratios for angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. Fifth one is the value of sin A or cos A never exceed 1, whereas the value of secant A or cosecant A is always greater than or equal to 1. Sixth one is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is the and secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1 when for 0 is less than or equal to 0 degree is less than or equal to A is less than or equal to 90 degree. And cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A for 0 degree is less than A is less than or equal to 90 degree. This is the summary of introduction to trigonometry. This is the end of introduction to trigonometry. Thank you.